welcome. I'm about to do a review video for Eayon Hair Company. I don't really know if I'm pronouncing that right, but hopefully I am. This is the spray that I've been using. I showed it. That's what I've been using in replace of me bleaching my knots. This wig did not come bleached, but it did come with pre-plucked knots. So that's a pretty good thing. And right now I'm just going ahead and just cutting the lace off. I wanted to try something new. How hard or how easy would it be if I cut the lace off first? This will also be a glueless install, so I'll be using the mousse to mold down my baby hairs and to mold down the wig as a whole. Right now I'm just cutting the baby hairs off, and the reason for me putting the makeup on the cap was because underneath it doesn't look very pleasing when you don't apply a makeup that's closest to your skin. Do you see how many times I had to play with my baby hairs in order to get them exactly how I want it? Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and wrap them down. You can purchase these head wraps on my website. And right now, I'm just going to define my part. If you've been here from day one, you'll know the brand that I've been using. RK by Kiss. That's the brand of this makeup. And I'm just using a lighter color than my skin just so it can look like a scalp. After that, I'm just going to take some Bio Silk and run it through my hair. Yes, this hair curls up when you wet it, but it's really cold where I am, and I do not want this hair to be wet and dripping down on me. So I'm just going to use the Bio Silk oil to try to define the curls. And I like big and poofy hair, so I don't really want to wet the hair anyways. But I really love this hair, and it hasn't shedded. I know I have to wear the hair for a few days in order to track shedding, but when I say that the hair isn't shedding, I mean since you put it on and put it in, there's not huge hunks and chunks of hair coming out, which some hair companies do have. So I haven't had those issues. This curl pattern is very nice. This is a lace front wig, by the way, if you couldn't tell by the beginning clips. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was honestly very easy to do, and watch this video as many times as you need to. And this is also another glueless install. Once again, thank you for tuning in. I'm going to show you how to remove it and how to easily put it back on. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Turn your post notifications on so you can be one of the first few to view my videos and stay up to date about everything that goes on this channel. The details for this company will be posted below. Once again, thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.